How to view Snapchat favorites. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to view Snapchat favorites. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, what you can do is simply scroll down and there you'll see the folder called My Favorites and Repost. So there you will be able to view all your favorites in the Snapchat. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.